ハイパースピードメディア。
Hi, how you doing? I'm Jimmy, and this is my 91 Nissan 240SX. It's a S13, has a KA24DE engine, Silvia front bodywork. Everything almost in the engine bay has been custom fabricated by me. I've painted everything, powder coated everything, fabricated almost every extra part in the engine bay that's custom. So I've had the car for about 16 years. I've been working on it every day, every night. Been through many different transformations, different paint, different wheels. The paint is misty blue metallic in the United States and purplish silver metallic in Japan. I'm a sucker for the two-tones. That's a 90s thing. It's definitely one of my favorite. I did all the wiring myself. When I bought the front clip, I had to buy a wiring manual for the Nissan Silvia for the right-hand drive wiring and all the accessories that go into it. So I had to convert everything from Japanese to English to understand all the wiring and components to convert it to the USDM spec engine, which is the KA. On the interior, I custom bent all of the roll cage bars, bought custom pieces to bolt everything in. It's similar to a Cusco cage, but everything's just bolted in. I wanted to keep full interior to keep everything comfortable. When I bought the clip, it was a K's custom or K's club edition. Just a couple aftermarket gauges for it, oil pressure and water temperature, and everything else is pretty much factory. I have an air-fuel ratio gauge and an Apexi SAFC2, which is old technology, but it works for the car. And the head, since the head's built, it's got Brian Crowder cams, valves, and springs. So the wheels on the car and the body panels, I've custom fit to the car. They're Panasport Racing G7 C5Cs. They are three-piece wheels. Over fenders are 30 mil, just generic style over fenders. And one of the details that I put in the car that nobody really notices, but I do because I did it, is I extended the spoiler about 1.5 inches. So when you look at it from the side, it doesn't look like much, but when you compare it to another coupe that has a spoiler, you notice it. The aero on the car is Dorky Dory brand, which all of his parts are pretty good quality parts. They fit really nice. They fit to the car. That's the side skirts, and the rear valances are Dorky Dory brand, and the front lip is a brand called Casale Design. His name's Cody Casale. He makes other parts for other cars. He specifically makes the lip for it for the front. It's a SR lip, which is specific to the J&Q's bumper. I drive it every day. It's nice out. I love driving it to work.
ハイパースピードメディア